Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can add Spotify playlist to your phone home screen. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your Spotify application. So once you open Spotify, go ahead and play any song or playlist. Now once you play it, go back to your home screen and long press on your screen. Now you will be up here with the widgets. Now search for the widget. Now go ahead and tap on Spotify and tap on the playlist that you want to add on your phone home screen. Once it's done, you are good to go. So that's how easily you can add a Spotify playlist to your phone home screen. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.